Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today our topic is half adders. So before going into the topic, please subscribe our channel. If you like the videos, please like, share and comment. Okay, let's start our topic, that is half adders. What is mean by half adders? Before going into this, we need to go into the adders concept, and before that we need to know actually the combinational circuits are divided into three parts. The first one is arithmetic and logical circuits, and data transmission circuits and the third one is code converters. So adders are nothing but, in the name itself we can addition is an arithmetic operation, right? In the name itself we can take that adder concept here. We'll have adder concept in these arithmetic and logical circuits. So what are the adders? So these adders are of two types. One is half adders and the other one is full adder. What is mean by half adder? Actually, it doesn't mean it adds half of the value. It means that it adds the 2-bit binary code. 2-bit adder is nothing but half adder. 2-bit adder is called half adder. So 2-bit adder is called half adder. So how to design the half adder? We know the 5 steps which we have studied in previous video about combinational circuit designing steps. The first step 1 is number of inputs and outputs. So actually the block diagram of combinational circuit is, this is a combinational circuit. We have n number of inputs, and we have m number of outputs. So here in half adder we will have the 2-bit adder. It is nothing but 2-bit adder. That means it given in last class I told that how to find input and output. It is given in the question itself, that is 2-bit. In a sense we need to add 2 bits. We'll get the output as 2. Let us take that AB as a 2-bit adder. So we have two inputs A and B, and the adders have the outputs as sum and carry. Before going into this, what is the 2-bit addition? Actually 2-bit addition is nothing but if we add 0 plus 0, what we will get? 0 plus 0 is nothing but 0 0. This is the sum and this is carry. Okay, this is sum and this is carry. In any type of addition, this one is the sum, the carry is 0, so the carry is automatically 0. So when we add 0 plus 1, we will get 1 0. This is sum and this is carry, and 1 plus 0 0 1, 1 sum and 0 is carry. If 1 plus 1 is added, 1 plus 1 0 1, this is sum and this is carry. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry is 1, that one is 1 here. So this is carry and this is sum. So addition of binary, it is nothing but addition of binary codes. That's it. What is a carry? If there is no carry, that is 0. Carry is 0 and the sum is 0. Here sum is 1 0. In this way we'll get sum and carry as the output. So step 2 is truth table, right? Truth table. So this is a half adder. Let us write it as HA. That represents the half adder. So step 2 is truth table. So inputs are AB. Truth table consists of input and output. Inputs and outputs. So inputs are AB and outputs are sum and carry. So let us write the truth table. Here the truth table has nothing but, if A is 0 and B is 0, write the combinations of A and B. 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Yes or no? Two 2-bit combinations of 4, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So what is the sum and carry for these inputs? 0 0 for 0 0, here the sum is 0 and the carry is 0, so 0 0. For 0 1, sum is 1, carry is 0, so 0 1. Here for 1 0, the sum is 1, carry is 0. For 1 1, the sum is 0, carry is 1. That's it. This is the truth table for half adder. So in this way we completed step 1 and step 2, and the third step is writing the Boolean expression. Our third step is writing the Boolean expression. So here we can write this sum as sum is equals to sum of minterms. This is 0 1 2 3, right? Sum is, we can write it as sum of minterms of 1 and 2. Is it right? Carry, we can write it as sum of minterms of only 3, right? So we should get the expression for sum and carry by using the K-maps that we will do now. So sum is this and carry is this. So the variables of sum are nothing but A, B, or the variables carry is also A, B. So if we construct the K-map for A, B, we will have 4 cells: 0 1 2 3 0 1 0 1 0 1 2 and 3. So sum is nothing but 1 2 numbers 1 and 2, remaining is 0. This is nothing but, we cannot pair, so here 1 is nothing but, this is one variable, and sum is equals to A is 1 and B is 0, so A, B is 0, B dash, plus here A is 0 and B is 1, so A dash B. It is nothing but A XOR B, right? A B dash plus A dash B is nothing but A XOR B. For carry also same. If we construct the K map, 0 1 0 1 A B 0 1 2 3. So some minterm is only 1 here, remaining all 0 here. For this A is 1 and B is 1, so carry is nothing but, the Boolean expression for carry is B. Step 4 is minimization. Here already we got the minimized expression, right? These two are the minimized expressions, so we further minimization is not possible, so here no minimization. The functions are this and this. Step 5 is the hardware implementation. Or also can be called logical diagram. So how to draw this? First take the let us take A and this is B. So this is the A and this is B, two inputs. First the sum is nothing but XOR operation, so take A, XOR operation between A and B, so A and B, and draw the XOR gate. This is nothing but sum. It is nothing but A XOR B. Okay. For carry, it is the AND gate, right? A into B. So A, take A and B, perform the AND operation, and we'll get the carry is equal to AB. So this is the designing of half adder. So very easy if we follow the 5 steps. The first step 1 we have seen is step 1 is inputs and output. We have taken, it is a 2-bit adder, so inputs are 2, we'll get the output as 2, sum and carry. We got this. By this we drawn the truth table. truth table. After from the truth table we have got the logical expressions for sum and carry, and we got the logical expression for sum and carry. By that we have drawn the logical diagram. So this is the concept of half adder. This is very easy as you follow the steps. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.